Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Cleaning your dishwasher isn't as tough as it sounds. It only requires a few household products, and some easy-to-follow steps. Continue watching to learn the most efficient way to clean a dishwasher. For dishwashers with plastic facades, soak a cleaning rag in hot soapy water, and then wipe the surface down. When you're done, use a clean dry rag, or a paper towel to blot it dry. If your dishwasher is made of stainless steel, fill an empty spray bottle with a homemade solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Spray it on the dishwasher's exterior. Then use a soft cloth to immediately wipe it dry. Those few times you didn't rinse your dish thoroughly before placing it on the rack will add up sooner or later, resulting in a clogged filter. Unscrew the filter, it either be a detachable one, on the bottom of the dishwasher, or a removable screen filter, so that you can get rid of any leftover food particles. To do this, soak the filter in warm soapy water for 10 minutes or so. Use a scrub brush to gently scrape off anything that remains, and rinse the filter thoroughly before putting it back in place. It's all in the details, especially when it comes to keeping the dishwasher at its absolute cleanest. That's why you should never neglect the bottom rack, top rack, spray arm, or utensil holder. Remove each accessory, and wipe them down with a cloth, warm water, and a little dish soap. Be sure to give the spray arm a little extra care, using a scrub brush to remove bits of food. After rinsing, return the accessories to their places, they will get another wash down later. Aside from its edible uses, vinegar works as a natural antibacterial too, and it is the perfect remedy for discoloration and bothersome odors that are commonly found inside dishwasher. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar into a bowl, and place it in the center of the bottom rack. Without adding any detergent, run a normal cycle. Since baking soda can work as dry shampoo, or a shower cleaner, and can brighten up your laundry too, it is safe to say it will help deodorize the interior of a dishwasher. Measure 1 cup of baking soda, and sprinkle it into the bottom of the dishwasher. If the machine has been put to good use over the past couple of days, give it a break, and let the baking soda sit overnight. This will give the equipment time to really soak in, killing lingering bacteria and germs. Run an empty cycle the next morning. You may click on the links in the description below to find out more about dishwasher.